Santa, thanks a lot for the food. I really enjoyed it. Santa, how do you measure success? Should I see success as money and fame?
No, success is neither money nor fame. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy idea. If people fail to understand what exactly success is, they will keep getting stuck in life. Those who have changed how they see success are the ones who end up winning. You need a goal. A goal is a dream with a deadline. After that, the process of you achieving that dream is what success is. Success is the process. It isn't connected to money or fame.
Should I then not care about money? Is addiction to the process that achieves my goal something bad? Sometimes I get addicted to my goals process. Is that bad?
Money is extremely important. You should care about it, but you shouldn't worry about money. Just as parents should care for children. Worrying for money is what is bad. It makes you do anything for money without thinking. And without good thinking, you cannot make plenty of money. I have experienced addiction to the process too. Whenever I dream of a goal, I somehow get addicted to the process. This is because I deeply want to achieve the dream. Now, this isn't bad at all. It is good that there is a strong desire for you to achieve that goal. This desire is what we see as addiction. So, in the real sense, we shouldn't call it addiction. We should call it strong desire. More often than not, the strong desire is fueled by a hormone called dopamine. That strong desire can also be called motivation.